How to export Photon private key. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now, unfortunately, if you have not saved your private key when you first created your Photon account or your Photon wallet, you can no longer export your Photon key or your Photon private key. What you could do is you could create a new wallet by simply going over here on the top right, clicking on wallet management. And over here, what we're going to do is we're just simply going to click on generate a new wallet over here. And then as you can see, if you click on generate, we will be able to obtain a new Photon trading wallet and a new private key. So simply click on generate, slide it there, and you should be able to get your address and private key. Now make sure that you save this somewhere else because after this, if you click on continue, you will never or you can no longer be able to access or have your private key on your, or you will not be able to export it again, as you can see. You will not be able to retrieve it again, as you can see. So make sure that you save it. Click on already save it. And there we go. So if you have money on your other wallet, you can just transfer it into the new wallet that you have a private key on to ensure that it is safe and at least you know your private key. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.